How to change your profile photo on Upwork. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Upwork and want to update your profile photo, firstly open the Upwork application or visit the Upwork website and sign in. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and from the expanded menu, go ahead and tap on Profile. Inside Profile, click on the pencil button right next to your profile picture, and then on the next page, click on Change Image. Now it will take you to your device's camera roll. Go ahead and select a photo you want to upload or change as your profile picture. After making a selection, tap on Done, and you'll be able to see your profile picture changed. You can zoom in or out the profile picture by dragging this little slider, and once you are done, click on Save Photo at the bottom right corner. So right after you do that, you will change your profile photo on Upwork. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.